Hello viewers, welcome to our channel JD Pharmacoveda. In this video, we are going to discuss about the drug Nicorandil. Before entering into our topic, let's see a quote written by Karim Sediki. He says, "Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will." So, Nicorandil is a potassium channel opener which was introduced as an anti-anginal drug in 1990s and is sporadically used as alternative to nitrates or calcium channel blockers. Mechanism of action: this dual mechanism anti-anginal drug activates ATP sensitive positive channels in smooth muscle membrane, thereby hyperpolarizing and relaxing it. The vasodilator action is partially antagonized by the potassium channel blocker glibenclamide. So, glibenclamide is an anti-diabetic or oral hypoglycemic drug. Like nitrates, it also acts as nitric oxide donor, relaxes blood vessels by increasing cyclic GMP. Pharmacological actions: arterial dilatation is coupled with venodilatation and both cardiac preload as well as afterload are reduced. Coronary flow is increased. No significant effects on cardiac contractility and conduction have been noted. Beneficial effects on angina frequency and exercise tolerance comparable to nitrates and calcium channel blockers have been obtained in stable as well as vasospastic angina. Nicorandil is believed to exert cardioprotective action by stimulating ischemic preconditioning as a result of activation of mitochondrial potassium ATP channels. Ischemic preconditioning is a phenomenon in which brief periods of ischemia and reperfusion exert a cardioprotective effect on subsequent total vascular occlusion and involves opening of mitochondrial potassium ATP channels. Adverse effects: flushing, palpitation, weakness, headache, dizziness, nausea and vomiting. Large painful aphthous ulcers in the mouth which heal on stopping Nicorandil have been reported. Dose 5 to 20 mg BD. Uses: Nicorandil is a second line anti-anginal drug whose efficacy and long-term effects are less well established. It has failed to acquire wide acceptance but may be useful in resistant angina when combined with other drugs. Administered IV during angioplasty for acute MI, it is claimed to improve outcome. So, thank you for watching. If you like our video, please like, enter your thoughts in our comment section, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel.